our classmates.
Yeah.
And this is our interviewer.
Yes.
Yeah.
And
So what we're going to do today is we're going to ask them some, random questions. Can you ayos the camera, please?
yes.
Okay, first, let's interview our napakagandang, napakabongga ang presidentable. Gunas itik!
Mag-interview.
Ikaw!
Ano yung interview ko ha?
Ambala,
What has been your elimination?
elimination. Okay guys, I'm going to take over our interview right now because our interviewer is not really that good.
How was your relationship over?
We're going to interview Pamela Trish.
Miss Bora.
Kung may mga butang sa article ko ha. Ay naman, meron na siya? Oo, meron. Ginaano ko na. Kasi pagalo.
Hoy, ads ka lang kamo ads.
Tapos na ang ads.
Tapos na ka no?
Ano kaya ang flow sang, ay pagtaksan.
So
Go.
guys, we're going to interview Pamela Trish Borish. And
Parang may naamoy ako hindi maganda.
Okay, so what has been your relationship with Mr.
yeah.
What's the experiences? Sino unang nagsiselos?
Di totoo yan.
Who said I love you first?
Siyempre siya nagkagusto nga una pero nag-ano sila.
She fell first, she fell harder too.
Next interview.
We are going to interview you. So, what has been your how's your relationship today?
With your
It's so
boyfriend.
healthy, pero ako ang nagkawala. Na-reply, 3 days na ako
So
nag-reply.
guys, ning SPA 10, mga red flag, miss nila guys. Yeah.
Hoy!
Uy, green flag ko doon.
Wow.
Ako kabi ang leader nila. Amakon mo pulo, lakad lang.
Yes. Isa ba? Babo ba yung bulgar? Zampron.
Ano to? Okay. Ano to?
Marami akong alam.
Ah.
Pero, i-keep it a secret na lang.
Kasi
I-keep
di ba
it a
mabait
secret.
ka,
Oo,
no?
mabait.
Agad!
Padayon!
Ay, kasi... Ha? Ano te?
Babo privado.
Ano te? Sabi mo te?
Ang titi. Ang privado. Bawal ipakita to.
Hawakan! Bawal yan! Ay, privado!
So guys, pupunta tayo sa aming dance room.
Okay, let's go! Yun na.
We will show you our dance room. How
So wait
beautiful
lang,
it is.
let's show first our classroom.
Yeah.
The outside of
So,
our classroom,
guys,
that's
this is
the
our
exterior.
Designed by me.
No!
Wow,
Designed by me.
Look guys.
Ay, ulod.
Look guys.
Our classroom is very empty. And
Empty.
yeah, it's empty.
Full of class.
But full of love. So this is Nasim, guys. She is the most beautiful woman in our classroom.
Bobo talaga. Hi sir. Sir, can you say hi to our vlogable? They busy guys.
So guys, this is our dance room because we are well prepared because we have a visitors coming in our school.
Okay, show them.
This is our dance room. Look how beautiful.
Hi ma'am, can you say hi to our vlog? This is Mom Panes. And say hi to our very, very beautiful advisors.
3 hours lang tulog fresh.
Fresh lumpia.
Paano ang fresh bee? Paano ang fresh? So guys, meron siya sa test diri guys. Oh.
Yeah, look at our beautiful, very, very AI generated picture.
AI generation. Wow. Wow.
Catriona Gray ang atake.
San na na. Na. San na,
This is
na.
designed for our SPAers.
Talikod, talikod. San.
This is our dance room, as you can see. Hi, Katlan. Can you say hi to our vlog?
Yeah.
Katlan Palomar.
So guys, this is the sign of outside of our room.
It has flags.
It has butterfly.
What, girl?
It has pay with antioxidant, anti-histamine.
Wow. He's the king and you're the queen.
We are ipaghalo mo, we are the king.
Okay.
Ipakilala ko sa inyo yung addict namin sa room, guys.
This is our gang
Ito po siya,
gang.
guys. Gengingot.
This is our gang gang. Wow.
Ubus niya na po yung...
And isang gang gang.
Oo.
Ito gang gang, ito bigaon.
Ito.
Okay, let's move on, guys. Pupunta na tayo sa ating classroom. Basta Jalta lang imo nga, baby.
This is Melogs. Pagkilala ka
Say
rin.
hi.
And this is Queen.
This is our queen, the
Queen Dura.
queen. Queen Dura.
Jasmine, naka-experience ka sa abuse sa balay niya wala.
Wala, because I'm a good girl. So guys, shout out na lang po kay Ordit. Ano apelyido? Ordit Enriquez.
Ito po yung mga addict namin na mga chess.
Chessers. This is our chessers.
Yeah. Ang pinaka-gonggong naman sa room.
The most handsome man in this classroom.
What's your favorite thing to do, Kathleen? What's your favorite thing to do? Wow, lata naman. She's visualture.
Yeah, and ito.
Sure.
Ito.
How about you? What's your favorite thing to do?
I'm playing games like ML and Roblox.
Wow, what kind of game in Roblox?
Black Spirits and Murder Mystery, like that's yeah, I'm done.
How about you, Lee? What's your favorite thing to do aside from being Charot, joke lang.
I love playing chess and working out my body because
Wow, because you're a gym rat, right? Be, show your biceps. Oh, grabe, oh, grabe, oh, grabe, oh. How about you, Nasin? What's your favorite thing to do? Wow, can you show some sample?
Oh,
Whoa. How about you, girl? What's your favorite thing to do? What's your favorite thing to do? Wow, X. Oh my gosh, they're discussing something, guys, which I don't know. How about you? What's your favorite thing to do? Okay, I agree.
Hindi niya mapidya kung saan.
Okay, go! Dance battle. Pas- Okay, go. Daming nanonood po siya ng Mitchell Garden. Ano, who's your favorite F4 member?
What's the name?
Ay, di ba, Julie?
Daming soup! Ay.
Sanchi.
Sana si Sanchay.
Sino to siya?
Sanchay, Abilday.
Ha?
언제부터 네가 남자로 보여
Ano kanta? Shashana-shana, sama-shana-ni, sha-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la. Ay, bang ko na ano yung act niya. Ano, this one daw sa Luzon. Ito na, lupa na, iyak ulo. Oh no. You're airborne. Itong ano, ulo ko iyak nga. Aling Luzon. Tapos, di ba, naglupa daw siya. Tapos, di ko niya. Ato, Shol. Ara. Try lang. Kunwari, ginaano mo siya, gina-cover, no? Tapos naglupad-lupad sa hangin, tapos naglupad.
itong ko,
Oo, tapos nahulog. Okay. Ay, sige, baliktad. Lakat ka. Tapos naglupad sa hangin, tapos gipulot niya. Okay, go.
Siya lang mapulot.
Oo. Tapos, di ba nahulog? Wag mo kasi nga. 1, 2, 3, go. Action. Wala niyo pa gani, napulot. Go.
A few moments later.
Oh my God.
No.
Oh my God.
The kontrabida is coming out and in. Oh, tan-tan-tan, tan-tan. Tararan.
Akala ko ba, baby boy mo siya, sir. Film na tagali.
Ay, uudoy mo.
Guys, meron pa kaming filming.
So, this is the end of our vlog, guys.
Because meron pa kaming filming eh.
Yeah, kapul ka. Sabalik ka.
So guys, update. Nag-quiz kami mga in-game ang mga tao. Pa kami guys, kami ML, ilakon. Tapos mga timing. Magala kami nag-stars. Namatay. I mean, like, ipatay na mo. Ay, masisigaw na, sir. Uy, ayos na niyo yung mga gamit, guys. Ito ang gamit. Kapag yung mga gamit, guys. Uy, ay,
So, guys, this is the, amugin kami sinipag hapon, guys.
Haggard na.
Excited mo po?
Sana daw perform.
Wow!
Sino kalaban ta?
Other section.
Mga alip... Kalinig na tabo every afternoon.
Gaway sila, guys.
Gani, guys, kay nag-prepare sila sa ilang mga reporting for Filipino time.
Hindi about sa mga pregnant.
Uy, no, ako diba niya tapos mag-preggy ka, tapos mabata ka, tapos dire, diba? Nang
Say hi.
Patulong ko, guys.
Sa Learns mo to natumbahan si
Slim Charms and Long Charms. Zanjo Marudo. Grabe ka limpyo ang room sang grade 10 SPA.
Yeah, organizable. That is our president, guys. A beautiful woman in the world.
Tataan ko si President.
Collaboration na siya, guys. Don't mind this piggy on the wall.
Napakagulo.
Session. Ayan, si Sir, guys! Matuloy mo niya report. Hi, Sir. Hi po sa vlog, Sir. Ito sa YouTube.
Sir, can you say hi to our vlog? Wait lang, ayusin tang camera. Okay, mag-hi ka sa vlog naman.
Vlog now.
Oo, lagi.
Sir, malimpyo kami, sir.
May epal. Taga sa mga words of, wisdom. Words of uniqueness. Charot.
Hello?
Ay. Sir!
Isa lang masasabi ko, mag-report tayo.
Guys, nag-away sila sa buong guys, no? Kasi wala po yung PowerPoint nila. And wala si Faith, si Madam Faith. What can you say about that, Melon? I don't know. What? And that's your assignment naman lang. Na para bang, huy! Duga kalog. Video.
Yun to. Take a video kami. Hindi.
Angel! Pakon! Dutang!
Ang Ari, nagahampang sila sa dumb ways to die. Faster daw. Lee! Queenie!
Play again. Play mo first.
Ay na. Ari sila mag-report sila pero hindi mag-connect sa TV ilang nga phone. Ano na oras?